Hey, what's up, fellas? It's me again. So today I'm working on a bird feeder. A friend of mine ordered me one. So ordered. He placed an order for me to make one. So this is what I got. Got it. Cut this one here. Got that one here. And I show you what's the outcome. All right. Let's get it on. I got this, but kind of small. You know what I mean? Working on it. Oh, this is gonna be an awesome build up. All right, so let's build something together. See you. Okay, fellas, it's finally done. You know, I just need to little touch ups here and there, but it's beautiful. All right, let me show you guys. Let me show you what we did today. All right, take a look. Look at that. Look at that. It's a birdhouse. All right, and look on the other side. Look at this. I gotta put it on my. See, I have this. Let me put you guys here for a minute, just to set this up. So that would be easy for me to maneuver it. Hey, better to be safe. Better be safe than sorry. All right. See, there it is. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. I have to finish. I gotta let that dry a little bit so I can stain it. Yeah. And this is it. Look at that. Look at that. That's another creation of who? Marcus Woodwork. There we go. All right. It's a bird feeder. All right. So you drop the food here. They come here. They visit you every day. You know, till the food is finished. So you have to add more food. All right. There we go. See? Beautiful. You know? It's made with love. All right? All right, fellas. But remember, if you guys want one, they're up for sale. $60 a unit. $60 a piece. Hey, it's a bargain. Real wood, handmade, custom made. I just put whatever you want me to put. All right? So see you guys. Hasta luego. Adios.